not one of the most sexiest products out there, but we do parts replacement. We are seeing lots of areas in the country where analog copper lines just aren't available anymore. This has been a hot topic. Our solution differs from others out there in that we do it modular. We provide a cradle point LTE router to provide the internet connectivity. We do an ATA and a NEMA enclosure with a battery that could last 12 or 24 months, depending on the compliance area. We punch it down to a 66 block, NFPA certified, so we can do fire alarm, elevator alarm, fax machines, different devices, anything we can do to take that analog copper line and push it out over data. We've got a module that goes up to 4 lines and another module that goes up to 8 lines. But if you guys have any needs out there for analog, we can definitely provide a solution for you. The key with the analog and doing POTS over LTE is maximizing the cell signal strength. So that's why we feel with our modular solution and being able to separate the cradle point and put it in an area where we can get good LTE signal, that we can provide a really solid solution. And we've had a lot of success